As I have already told you, we have the new electrical subdistributor with the controlino inside. Now it can happen that you have on your construction site the new ASD but the standard cabling. I want to show you how to handle this. In our case now, I want to explain you how to do the wiring without the new cable set on our current nurse station with the two push buttons on the glass side. First of all, I want to show you the wiring of our new electrical subdistributor, and this we have to do the small modification. So if you are using the standard current nurse station, here on the left side there are two buttons there. The first button is the SCB AIDA, is here on the top. Here you can do the standard cable directly to the AIDA and the SCB with the standard Phoenix contact there. So this is independent from the controlino. The other side, the AV button, is this wiring, and this wiring you have to use the white wire of this cable. This should go to X228. This is here on the bottom side of this terminal block. This is the A0, the A0 input of the controlino, and the other side X219. This is the plus, which is going to the A0 when they press the button there, and the controlino recognized the input and switch on the system. So the other side, the LED should always going on, and this is a little bit more complicated. We have to do this cabling on the controlino maxi. For this I will go to the next page to show you how to handle this there. Here in this side, this is the R1 relay number 1 of the controlino. This is already busy with the wiring white and brown one. So you have to disconnect this both wiring there, and please isolate it, pull it back, and here you have to connect the pink and the yellow one from the cable set which is coming from the nurse station. And then you have to go to the AV Neo settings, and then on the right side please remove everything which is going through the AIDA and is coming from the AIDA and SCB. So you have to remove everything on this side, and you have to do also for the LED, for the AV button, you have to change the number of this. Before it was number 1. This is for the for the DO, as a D0, this is the first output. We have to change it now to the second one, to the second relay, and for this we have to change it to number 2. Please do it like this, and the relay number 2 will switch on, and you can see the light is going on the push button there. So this is the settings for doing the push buttons for the nurse station. The other thing what you have to do is for the on-air lamp, you have to connect it directly one side on the controlino. So for this you have to remove the wiring, the white wire of the relay number 3, R3. Please disconnect it, isolate it, pull it back, and connect from the on-air lamp the plus wire there. And on the other side from the on-air lamp, the minus, you have to connect it on this terminal block to the pin 18. It could be here on this side there. And in this case, everything should working, the on-air lamp and also the push button on the nurse station.